Becca's iPad had 86% left on its battery. If she loses 2% every 6 minutes, how many minutes does she have until her iPad battery is dead? So we're trying to solve for that. How many minutes does she have left to play on her iPad before her battery dies? This one was a challenging question. Well, we know that she is starting off with an 86% charge on its battery. If I know she loses 2% every 6 minutes, you could draw a chart. You could do an in and out chart. Every 2 minutes, 2% would be 6 minutes. So 4% would be 12 minutes and so on. But that would take a really long time to figure out our answer. So what we're going to do instead is think about division. I'm going to take the amount of charge she has, 86%, and keep the percents together. I'm going to divide by 2. If I do that, I'm going to get the answer of 43. 6 divided by 2 is 3. 8 divided by 2 is 4. Then I'm going to take this amount, this 43%, because remember it represents percent of time, and then I'm going to multiply it by 6 minutes. 43% multiplied by 6 minutes and get my answer there. 6 times 3, 18. 6 times 4, 24, plus 1 more is 25. So that means that she has 258 minutes before her battery completely dies. Now let's think about that in terms of time. What is 258 minutes in hours? Well, we know that there's 60 minutes in an hour. So we can think to ourselves, how many 60 minutes can I pull out of 258? So I would be dividing 258 by 60. You can use a calculator for this, or you can think about your multiplication. 60 times 1 is 60. 60 times 2 is 120. 60 times 3 is 180. 60 times 4 is 240. If I did 60 times 5, it would give me 300, which would be too much. So I can see here that 240 minutes is equal to 4 hours. So far, I know that her battery is going to last 4 hours, but how many minutes? 4 hours and what? Because we have 258. I'm going to take these two amounts and subtract them to find their difference. 258 minus 240 is 18. So that means that she has a total of 4 hours, 18 minutes before her battery dies, or 258 minutes. Our second part of the question was a challenge question. If her iPad is at 86% at 9 a.m., what time will her iPad shut down if she does not charge it? Well, after we've done our math for the first part, we know that she has 258 minutes or 4 hours, 18 minutes before her battery stops charging or dies. So I'm going to take a look at this clock here. And if you have a clock on your wall, you can also look at that and see if that helps you. All right, so here my clock reads 9 o'clock. If I know that I need to count 4 hours, 1, 2, 3, 4, there's 4 hours at the 1 o'clock. So far it's 1 in the afternoon, and then we have 18 minutes. So that means that at 1:18 in the afternoon, her battery will be dead if she does not charge her iPad.